A student went on a 5-minute stabbing spree at a Pennsylvania high school this morning, wounding at least 22 people and leaving 2 critically injured and fighting for their lives. Alex Rybel, a 16-year-old sophomore at Franklin Regional High School in Murrysville, PA, used 2 8-10-inch kitchen-tip straight knives in the attack, which started shortly after 7 a.m. police said. Authorities said Rybel would be charged as an adult with 4 counts of attempted criminal homicide, 21 counts of aggravated assault, and 1 count of possession of weapons on school property. He was being held without bail in a juvenile detention center in Westmoreland County. After the spree began, the school resource officer stationed at the school, William Buzyak, used his radio to alert police, telling them of a critical incident unfolding at the school, according to Murrysville Police Chief Thomas Seefeld. When we got there we saw a hallway in chaos, as you can imagine, Seefeld said at a press conference this afternoon. There was a lot of evidence of blood on the floors and in the hallway. We had students running about trying to get out of the area. Franklin Assistant Principal Sam King tackled the suspect during the attack and was joined by Principal Joan Mellon in subduing him, Seefeld said. Yak handcuffed the boy as police arrived at the school. Seefeld said the teen was treated for a minor hand wound. Nate Miller, 15, was stabbed during the rampage and said he had to be treated with 15 stitches. It was really fast. It felt like he hit me with a wet rag because I felt the blood splash on my face. It spurted up on my forehead, Moore told the AP. At least 20 people were injured after the stabbings at the start of the school day, Westmoreland County Emergency Management spokesman Dan Stevens said. The motive for the rampage remains under investigation. Seefeld said they were not aware of any warning signs from the suspect, a sophomore at the school. Us Pennsylvania high school stabbing suspect source 232584421. Read more Pennsylvania high school stabbing suspect not well liked source. At least 4 people with injuries emergency management officials described as serious were flown to area hospitals for treatment. Others were not actually stabbed, he said, and some of their injuries included cuts and scrapes. Among the stabbing victims was a security guard, stabbed in the stomach, the police chief said. Dr. Louis Alarcon, who is part of an operating team at the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center Children's Hospital, said one victim, a 17-year-old boy, had a stab wound to the chest that barely missed his aorta. Alarcon said doctors were optimistic the teen will survive. Health Pass stabbing reveals assailant danger disorganization expert 232569550 PA. High school stabbing reveals assailant's anger and disorganization expert says. At Forbes Hospital, Dr. Mark Rubino said his team treated 8 victims, 3 of whom he said had severe injuries.